What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today I'm going to show you one of the best camera bags that I've ever used. It's going to carry my drone, my GoPro Karma. It's also going to carry some other batteries for my drone and some extra equipment. I want to show you guys that. This bag is about $60 on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below to this exact Vanguard adapter 45 camera day pack. It is waterproof. Let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, this is a bag by Vanguard. I actually like this bag so much that I got a second one after I had taken the other one around the world about twice. It is waterproof. You can see right here, it's got multiple different pouches. You can store things right in there. I'll show you what I got right here. Just a little extra water holder in case you need that. And then you need the water. If you need the rain cover, you can see it is right here. So if it's raining, you just put that on. There is two more pouches. There's a pouch right here on this side, which I put some of my mobile gear right there, maybe a Rode microphone if you need it, wireless go, whatever you like. Here's another one right here, basically the same size that you can also use. You can see I've got a variety of different things in here. Now let's dive in here and see just how much carrying capacity this little bag has. All right, so you can see I've got a GoPro in here. I've got a DJI Osmo. So a GoPro Karma, a DJI Osmo Mobile, a drone. You can see a drone controller, one battery there and another battery there. I've also got enough space to put extra stuff, like a power bank right there. I mean, this thing can hold a lot of different stuff. And for me, I need to have about 2 different cameras. I can even grab a third one, like this right here, the Sony 4K, and that'll even fit in there. So, I mean, you can see this thing has more than enough space to hold what you need to do the job. And let me show you just how small it is. So here's how I most commonly wear it. You can see right here, really not that big. So that's just how big it looks when it's on me. You can see, I mean, there's a lot of equipment in here and it's not very big. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this bag. There will be a link to the camera gear and the bag itself, which I do recommend, below in the description.